So you've now probably tried putting your popping candy into some different liquids. And it might be that it popped in all of them, maybe the same amount. Maybe it didn't pop in some of them at all. Or maybe it just popped a lot in some liquids and not very much in others. Well, I'm going to tell you why that happened. So, popping candy, if you look at the ingredients on the back of the packet, it will tell you that there is a strawberry flavour, there's sugar, there's lactose, which comes from milk, glucose syrup, which is another type of sugar, flavouring, and the really important one, carbon dioxide. So, what happens with your popping candy is it's got carbon dioxide inside it, which is a gas, and it's been trapped in lots and lots of sugar. Now, when you put this in water or some other liquids, the sugar dissolves, so it mixes with the water, it releases the carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide comes out with a pop like this. And that's why you hear that noise. So the noise you're hearing is just the carbon dioxide being released. Now, if you put this into a liquid which sugar doesn't dissolve in, something like oil perhaps, then it'll mean the sugar can't dissolve, the carbon dioxide can't come out, and that means it can't go pop. I'm going to show you. So I've got some water here. Sugar dissolves really well in water. If you've got any sugar at home, you could give that a try. Just take a teaspoon of sugar, put it in some water, stir it around, and you'll notice that it seems to disappear. That's called dissolving. Now, I'm going to put my popping candy into here, and it starts to pop. Now that's because the sugar is dissolving, releasing the carbon dioxide, and when it comes out it makes a popping noise. Now sugar won't dissolve in oil. So when you put sugar in oil, it will just stay there. That's another experiment you can try if you've got any oil at home. Put a little bit of sugar into it and it won't dissolve. It just sits there. It doesn't disappear at all. So if I put my popping candy into my oil, the same thing happens. It just sits there. You might even be able to see. It's made a big lump at the bottom. It's not making any sound at all because the sugar isn't dissolving, so the carbon dioxide is still trapped inside. It's not able to come out, so it's not able to go pop.